So I just wanted to show you today, this is not normally how I wear my hair, but I wanted to show you how you can get volume using some of the Healium hair care products. So I split my hair in half. This has no product on it, and this we use some magic. So if you want to see how it happened, just stay tuned. First product I'm going to use is layer 1. Don't mind this, it's just my prototype label. Layer 1 is just that, the first layer of product that goes in the hair. Use any other products on top of that. It's a foundation product. So we're gonna spray this in the hair, root to end. And I'm not gonna just spray on the top. I'm actually gonna go through and work it through. Okay, so layer 1 has resins that when they're heat activated, it is heat activated, they actually expand with heat. So it makes your hair feel thicker and fuller. Okay, so if you have fine or thin hair, this is like your absolute must starter product. Okay, so on top of that, I'm actually gonna use our Air Whip mousse. Air Whip mousse is a volumizing mousse, and you can see a little bit goes a long way. Okay, it grows very well. It holds really well. And it has nice slip to it. So when you're blow drying, you don't have to like fight the blow dryer. It's got a really nice rhythm to it. Now applying this, you can see I'm actually gonna go under the hair and work it up, okay? I don't wanna work it down because we're looking to achieve volume, right? So I got my 2 base products in there now, time to blow dry. Here's a little tip too. As you can see, when I'm blow drying, I'm working the hair up and away from my face. I'm not pulling it down, right? We're trying to create that lift there at the root. So we're gonna go up. You can also see I'm actually just using my detangling brush. You always have the option of a round brush too. However, when you use your round brush, I'm gonna get those really curled under ends, and I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for more of a blunt, straight end. So now we're dry. We got a little bit of lift over here, right? Okay, so we're really gonna start to emphasize that. So, oh, hair, sorry. First, we're going to use Fiberflex. Fiberflex is a gel base in an aerosol spray. I showed you this on the last one, but as it starts to dry, it creates texturous fibers that actually adhere to the hair. So those fibers create not only lift and hold, but also a texture and a grittiness. So there we can see some of them. I'll hold it on my black shirt here. You can see some of those forming there. Okay, so we're going to section off the hair. And I realized on the last video, I say okay all the time. So 2 different techniques here. So back combing, right? So we can take, mine is so nasty, but it still works. We can take the hair and we back comb, and we're creating a little bit of a tangle there at the root, right? That's gonna create lift. So without damaging the hair, we can also section it off. We spray our Fiberflex at the root. Let that dry right at the root. We're not going all the way up, but right at the root, which is where we want our lift, and let that dry. The last product that I'm going to use is Body 5. Body 5 is a thermal protectant. It can withstand heat up to 450 degrees, which is usually the max that most irons reach. So we're going to flat iron our hair in the opposite direction. So we're gonna section this off. We're gonna spray. Oh. Okay. And we're actually going to flat iron over this way. Okay, we want to create that little bit of extra lift here at the root. Okay, so the thermal protectant is nice to use because your hair has natural oils in it, right? So the heat will actually absorb the product as your layer of protection and not the natural oils that are in your hair. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's take care of that. Okay, so you can see I actually probably have more volume than I actually want, but my hair has got body, it's got volume, it is soft, it is touchable, it's not sticky, tacky, or gunky. So hopefully this might inspire you to try a new style or some Healium products as well.